for creating a linear storyline. Consider a prediction with 3 cameras. Generally, 2 outer cameras shoot close-up shots or crosses of the 2 most active characters on the set at any given time, while the central camera or cameras shoot a wider master shot to capture the overall action and establish the geography of the environment. In this way, multiple shots are obtained in a single take without having to start and stop the action. Advantages of multicam prediction. Multi-camera prediction is a method of filming. 2 or more cameras are set up either in a studio or at a location and film simultaneously. The cameras will be set out to film a scene from multiple angles to gain a variety of shots. This is different to single camera prediction, which uses only one camera and scenes are repeated to get the required shots from different angles. Getting all the shots in the moment. There are many different opportunities and limitations when working with multi-camera. The most obvious plus side is getting all the action live as it's happening. For instance, in a football game, it would be much harder to see and understand what's going on if they filmed it with just one camera with a wide angle lens. You wouldn't be able to get close-ups easily. You would need a master shot of the game to cut back out, to which it can really be done with the use of many cameras. Obviously, it varies from game to game depending on the size of the stadium. Time saving. If you are shooting a sitcom and you have lots of different shoots and many locations, having to wait to send one camera to all those places would take a long time. With multiple cameras, you can film 5 locations in one day as opposed to one, thus saving so much time. Enhanced emotion or reactions. When shooting a scene with 2 actors or people, when live arguments can ensue, which could cause for a heated debate, which is real and tense and dramatic, therefore entertaining, and when using actors when they are actually playing the whole scene out, not just one at a time staring at a wall, you might get a better performance out of them. Lighting and sound is a lot easier to control as the cameras will remain stationary there, for sound and lighting do not need to be adjusted. The filming process is quicker when compared to single camera predictions, as no scene has to be done multiple times. This is important for soaps as they are produced on a regular basis. Post-production is not normally required as cuts are done live. If it is needed, it does not normally take a long time. Scenes only need to be shot once, as there are multiple cameras filming from all required angles. The multi-camera setup allows for live broadcasting. All cameras are filming at once, so cuts can be made live to show a scene from the best angle. There will be no continuity issues as cuts between shots are done live. Multi-camera predictions get the best reactions from actors, comedians, athletes, etc., as no scene needs to be repeated. The reactions will therefore be genuine. There is more coverage of everything as cameras are recording from different angles using different frame sizes. Now, disadvantages of multi-camera prediction. Expensive. Obviously, the main reason multi-camera may not be so popular because it's so expensive. Getting all the equipment, booking studio, the crew and operators are all a part of it. Takes longer to set up. When filming in a studio, you have to get the lighting right for all angles and check the sound to make sure it's right, and setting up all the cameras and the scenery and props can take a long time. It takes a long time to set up for a recording of a multi-camera prediction, as lighting, camera angles, audio levels and the set design all have to be set up for one shoot. Filming location options are very limited with multi-camera prediction. Predictions are filmed on sets or in studios such as sitcoms, chat shows, soaps and game shows, or on location for live broadcast such as concerts or sports events including football matches or the Olympics. This differs from the single camera method as one prediction can include footage from a variety of locations. Minimal lighting control. Lighting has to be set up for every person in the scene as well as the foreground or background all at once. Flexibility with equipment. You have to be careful not to get other cameras or lights in shot. So the studio floor plan has to be well thought out for each camera position and angle. Roles in multi-camera prediction. There are many different jobs that need to be performed in order for the prediction to run smoothly and work as a whole. When using multi-camera prediction, there are many roles that people would have when in prediction or filming, each of which is vital to making the finalized or live footage look the best. Below is the most common in multi-camera techniques. Camera operators. This is an important job because the whole point of multi-camera is being able to shoot many things at the same time from many different angles